Good morning, dear children. I, Pooja Rajvanshi, welcome you all for the Mathematics Home Mentoring session of the ST Vidya School, Ambala Kant. Children, in this video, you will be finding exercise 10.3, and in this exercise, we are supposed to do conversions. So, as it is, we have done a complete chapter on the conversions just before this chapter. Now, this question is convert into hours. For a quick recap, in chapter number 9, all the 6 exercises, meters, the length, the capacity and the weight, we have done a lot of conversions. When we are converting from the big to the small unit, we multiply by the relationship. And when we are converting from the small to the big unit, we are dividing by the relationship. Same we have to do here. Only the relationship is different. So this first question is convert into hours. We have 7 days. And all of you know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Yes or no? So, day is bigger, hours is smaller. From the bigger unit, I have to go to the smaller unit. So, 7 days will be, it is a sum of multiplication. You will multiply 7 by the relationship. So, you can make a rough column, or you can multiply it directly. That's totally on you. 7 2s are 14 and 2 16. So my answer is 168 hours. This is my answer. Right, children? So some number B, C and D are your self-attempt questions. Very simple. Lot of practice we already have done. So I'm giving you this as a homework. Now let us move on, children, to question number 2. It is convert into minutes. It is convert into minutes. Right? The first question here is a simple one. 4 hours. 4 hours. Now, hours and minutes. The relationship you should learn, 1 hour is 60 minutes. And hours is bigger, minutes is smaller. So again, 4 hours will be 4 multiplied by 60, that is 240 minutes. You have learned in the multiplication chapter, the multiplication by the zeros. I will take 1 0 in my answer, remain 6 and 4, 6 4s is 24. So this is my answer. I will be doing one more part for you. 7 hours and 50 minutes. As in chapter 9, the smaller unit which was already there in the question, we added it. Same we are going to do here. 1 hour is 60 minutes. And I have to convert 7 hours into minutes, and 50 minutes are already there with me. So 7 into 60 and this 50 will be added. 0 comes here, 7 6 are 42. Add 50 to it and you get 470 minutes as your answer. So, dear students, part number B, C, E and F are your self-attempt questions. Kindly do them. Let us come to the question number 3. It is having 2 parts. The first question says, the question is again convert as directed. As directed means as is said in the question. The first part is 10 minutes, 20 seconds, and I have to convert it into seconds. Now, seconds is the smallest unit of time. Remember, discussed in the earlier videos. I write the relationship between the minutes and the seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. The steps of conversion are just the same as we have already practiced. So, 10 minutes, 20 seconds will be equal to 10 multiplied by 60 plus 20. 2 zeros and 6 ones are 6. Plus 20, so 620 seconds is my answer. Simple enough, right? So this is first part. Let's do the second part. No homework in this question. 12 minutes, 40 seconds. 12 minutes, 40 seconds into seconds. Into seconds, right? So again, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 12 minutes and 40 seconds, what we are going to do? We are going to change bigger unit to the smaller unit and add the already existing smaller units. 1 0, 12 6 are 72, right? Plus 40. So we have 760 seconds as the answer. So we finish exercise 10.3 here, children. For doing the next exercise, we'll tune up to the next video. Thank you.